Wondering how to get around Athens? I'm Chrysoula, a local, and in the next 3 minutes I will show you exactly how to use the public transport like a pro.
First off, most of the sites in Athens, like the Acropolis, Plaka, Monastiraki and the Ancient Agora, are totally walkable. You don't need transport for those. But for getting to the beach, the airport or areas like Piraeus, that's where public transport comes in hand. The Athens metro is simple. 3 lines, blue, red and green. They connect the city center to key spots like the airport and Piraeus port, and they are fast, clean and air-conditioned. Then we have 2 tram lines. One goes from Syntagma to the coast, the other runs along the coast from Piraeus to Voula. Perfect for beach hopping. Now buses and trolley buses are everywhere. Locals use them daily, but I'll be honest, they're slower, sometimes unpredictable, and can get stuck in traffic. I recommend them if you're going somewhere without metro or tram access, but always check routes on Google Maps or the OASA app. Here is what you need to know about tickets, and yes, one ticket works for metro, tram and bus. A single ticket is valid for 90 minutes and costs €1.20. A day pass costs €4.10. A 5-day pass €8.20. 3-day tourist pass that includes a round trip to from the airport costs €20. A one-way metro ticket to the airport €9 and a round trip €16. If you're heading to Piraeus port, take the green metro line, it costs only €1.20. You can get your tickets at vending machines in metro stations. Tap the screen, pick Buy Travel Product and choose your pass. Remember to validate your ticket. Metro uses gates, trams and buses have blue or orange boxes. And always check the arrows at the metro gates. I've seen people stuck at the wrong side, wondering why nothing is happening. Metros come every 5 to 10 minutes, trams every 10 to 15 minutes. They run until midnight or 2 a.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. But keep this in mind, strikes do happen in Athens. Always check with your hotel if public transport is running, especially before heading to the airport. Taxis are affordable and quick, but make sure the meter is on. Most locals use the FreeNow app. It works like Uber, but it's still a yellow taxi. Alright, now you're ready to get around Athens like a local. Whether you're off to a museum, the sea or just a new neighborhood, public transport will get you there smoothly and affordably.
Want more tips? Check out my other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.